Hi guys, welcome back to the Fukuoka Shido-Kan channel. So today I'm gonna go over the cross distance of the Pinan 三段 Bunkai. Okay? Let's go. So the cross distance. So he's gonna grab my arms. If he tried as much as he can, but my body can still move. Don't try to move this part. I always move. Then, now he's gonna punch to my face. I'm gonna block with my elbow. So you need to twist your blocking hand. Then grab his hand. Okay? He's gonna grab, then I'm gonna twist. Then grab. If he doesn't let go of my hand, he locked himself. Okay? Here, punch, quick. Then I'm gonna attack. Here. Okay? One more time. He's gonna grab, then punch. Then attack. Back fist. Okay. So this bunkai is second one. It's cross distance. Here, just relax. He's gonna grab, then punch, cover, hold, then attack. Okay, so when you do any bunkai, I want you to relax your body. If you tense, it's very hard to do. Just you need to more relax. Then you can move your body very freely. Punch, he broke. Then, okay, I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.